Immortal animals. Do you think that any living being on Earth will live forever? This would be something incredible and an impossible dream, but believe me, there are some animals on our planet that have the power to live forever and have conquered the aging phenomenon. So come with me and see that immortality is not just a myth. Deloids, lifespan 100 million years, immortal. Deloidea are microscopic organisms found in freshwater habitats all over the world. In June 2021, biologists reported that the restoration of Deloid rotifers after being frozen for 24,000 years in the Siberian permafrost. In the lab, they have been shown to revive after 9 years of life without water. Hydra, lifespan immortal. Hydra is a freshwater organism that is native to the temperate and tropical regions. It has a tubular, radially symmetric body. They have great regenerative ability and do not appear to die of old age or to age at all. Being able to continuously divide and regenerate new body cells, hydras can basically keep themselves young for long periods of time, even until forever. Jellyfish. Lifespan immortal unless disease or predation. Jellyfish and sea jellies are found all over the world, from surface waters to the deep sea. Jellyfish are mainly free-swimming marine animals with umbrella-shaped bells and trailing tentacles. Jellyfish have been in existence for at least 500 million years and possibly 700 million years or more, making them the oldest multi-organ animal group. Trivetta, zombie bugs, immortal unless predation. Trivetta, found in New Zealand, are nocturnal and arboreal, hiding in hollow tree branches during the day and feeding at night. These bugs are very resilient to freezing as they have special proteins in their blood that prevents this from happening. While their hearts and brains are not that resistant to freezing and can die when completely frozen, they can be revived to life when thawed out. Glass sponges, lifespan 15,000 years. Commonly found in the deep ocean, their tissues contain glass-like structural particles called spicules that are made of silica. The skeleton of the glass sponge, together with various chemicals, provides defense against many predators. Although they're not necessarily deathless due to some inevitable instances like being eaten by predators, some species of glass sponges can survive up to more than 15,000 years. Aldabra giant tortoise, lifespan 200 plus years. The Aldabra giant tortoise is a giant species of tortoise native to the Aldabra Islands in the Indian Ocean. One such tortoise was Advaita at the Alpo Zoological Gardens in Kolkata, India, which died at the age of 255. The scientists believe that turtles are biologically immortal. Of course they die, but never seem to die of old age. It's always a disease or a falling boulder or any such reason. Bowhead whales, lifespan 200 plus years. Bowhead whales are huge freaking whales endowed with the largest mouth of any animal. Scientists have revealed that they possess anti-aging DNA repair systems far more potent than any other living creature, which gives them the ability of keeping disease-causing genetic mutations at bay, leading a life free of various maladies like cancer and thus outliving almost all other animals. Red Sea Urchin, lifespan 200 plus years. The Red Sea Urchin, found in the northeastern Pacific Ocean from Alaska to Baja California, lives in shallow waters and is typically found on rocky shores sheltered from extreme wave action in areas where kelp is available. The sea urchin's spherical body is completely covered by sharp spines. The Red Sea Urchin is considered to be practically immortal. Although amazing as it may sound, scientists say that these urchins can never stop growing but don't get old. Lobsters, lifespan 100 plus years unless predation. Lobsters have long bodies with muscular tails and live in crevices or burrows on the sea floor. Scientists suggested that through time, some lobsters have evolved a certain enzyme called telomerase which repairs the lost sections of the DNA. Hence, aged cells are again reverted to young. Hence, they do not die of aging. The older a lobster gets, the bigger it grows. Eventually, they outgrow their shell and eventually die of either exhaustion, predation, or a shell collapse. Lungfish, lifespan 100 plus years. Lungfish, one of the oldest species of fish on the planet, are freshwater animals representing the closest living relatives of the tetrapods. They can slow down their metabolic rate and live even without nutrients for years.